Hey guys, welcome to Munchies Supreme episode 7. As you can tell, it is Christmas time, so we're gonna head into Target and get some Christmas
Choirs
ornaments.
will be singing silent night, Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night.
And thank you to LA Kush for sponsoring us. We smoked their Kushberry cheesecake, which is a sativa, and I'm liking it. Hey. Okay, so let's get started. Tina, you want to go first with your drink?
Yes. Okay. So I feel like a classic holiday drink is eggnog, but I thought of you. I know you're lactose, so I got something special.
Thank you.
Soy nog.
Ooh, soy nag.
Oh, you have the cups. Surprise! Little Christmas or winter holiday cups.
So cute. Wow. Wait, do you have to shake
Oh gosh. Every time.
You gotta get the full flavor.
To be used as infant formula.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, wasn't planning on it.
Wait, so does this eggnog have alcohol in it?
No,
Or are you supposed to, right? Do you add the alcohol?
definitely
right?
can add some. There you go.
Do it!
I see.
Have you had regular eggnog before?
Just
I have.
do it!
Okay.
I'm not a fan.
Oh,
I don't care.
Not
I'm down.
bad.
I'm down for anything.
okay.
It's holiday. You have to drink it. It's a must.
Oh, this is good.
Ooh, I like this one.
It's just original.
Mmm.
I think it was like $3 too, so super cost effective.
Wow. Yeah, because usually to me it tastes like nail polish or whatever. But this tastes bomb.
That's a really accurate description of that like aftertaste for sure. What would you rate this?
95.
97.
Okay, that's a good one. And then like even if after you have that you add alcohol to it.
That's how you get to the hundo.
Hey, hundo.
All right, what'd you get for us to drink?
Ta-da!
Ooh, is that the alcohol?
No.
Oh.
It's not an alcoholic version, but it's sparkling rosé grape juice cocktail.
I'm excited to see you open this.
Oh no. Let's see. Okay.
We're getting better.
We are. Woohoo!
Yeah, we are.
We learned. We got stronger.
Yay!
Sweet. Okay.
Sparkling rosé, Welch's juice. Thank you.
Like a Welch's commercial. Welch's.
Oh yeah, the little girl.
Oh, natural fruit.
The pucker. Hold on. Dang, that's good.
Ooh.
This is good.
That is good. Hey,
This is-
if you're a kid and you want to feel like an adult,
This is 100.
Holy
I always used to get so excited as a kid that you brought that up, like having the sparkling apple cider.
Yeah.
I always felt like it was like, grown-up juice, alcohol, something.
Right? I always felt like so special. Like, oh, I'm an adult. Pinky up.
Okay, munchie time. You know how I love giant candy. Reese's! And the really cool thing is now there's stuff with pieces. So I got 2 half-pound cups. So this is 1 pound of Reese's right here.
Reese's Pieces in a cup. Hey.
Have you seen these before?
No, I haven't.
Feast your eyes.
Holy crap. See, I was expecting a disappointment, but
Nah, son.
Nah.
You can have your own.
no sharing today.
No,
It's like it kind of looks like a pie, like a chocolate
Yeah,
pie.
right? All right. It's hard.
That's what she said.
Okay. I only got some chocolate, but
I always take a bigger bite.
I know you do.
Oh, get into the munch.
That's
is good. I'm always
That was really good.
impressed when they can like make the candy bigger and keep the proportions and taste like the same.
The same, yeah. Uh-huh.
Wow, this is amazing.
I like this a lot.
It's even better with the pieces inside.
I'm gonna go with 120.
120! 420!
You win. Perfect.
Okay. Ooh, let's try it with the eggnog. Oh no.
I'm joking.
You okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, it pairs nicely with
Oh
the
my
eggnog.
god. This is amazing.
The soy nog.
I'm so happy right now.
It's the holidays. Cheers. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your snack?
Well, what do you rate that?
420.
Oh!
That's my rating.
Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
So I got brownie brittle.
That's cool.
I've never tried it, so
What's a brittle? That's like a holiday snack thing that you give to people, right?
what is brittle really? That's
I don't know.
like
It's brittle itself, right?
like caramel, right?
Brittle itself is brittle.
Right? like hard caramel, but like in chip form.
Yeah. Brittle caramel.
I don't know. I'm guessing salted caramel with dark drizzle. Ooh. My fancy today. Oh.
I just love it, so festive. Oh, it's like a graham cracker.
Oh.
It's a graham cracker. Mm-mm.
Ooh. Oh?
Yeah?
Yeah?
It's like a chocolate graham cracker. There's more chocolate on top.
Chocolate rain.
Kind of reminds me of a gingerbread house.
Yeah.
Cookie.
This is good.
Which is my favorite holiday thing to do. Is make gingerbread houses. Right? Gotta do that every year.
Yeah.
Wow,
I'm
this is
excited to build my Mario one later.
Ooh. It's a Mario. It is good.
Let's taste it with this. Perfect. Perfect.
I'm very happy right now.
I'm gonna give this like a 99.
Ooh. 105.
You're so happy. It must be the holiday season.
I know.
My turn. Ooh, I'm so excited for this next one. It's holiday edition Oreos. They don't look very holiday edition,
Okay.
but white fudge. So these are like dipped in white fudge, regular Oreos. But I swear to God, they're the best thing you will ever have in your life.
I don't think
They
I
don't
have those.
give you enough, first of all.
Oh, what?
They only give you 12.
I thought it was gonna be like
No, it's not regular Oreos.
rude.
It's more expensive and you get less. But oh my God. Worth it.
I should put peppermint barks on them too.
Yeah, I saw when we were there, they had the Oreo Peppermint Bark edition, but I saw these. These are so good. Okay, cheers.
Wow.
I love these.
This is so good.
Right? Another 100. I love the holidays.
I'm gonna agree.
Mm-hmm.
I like her.
Yeah.
Mhm. Oh. My pants wanted to try it too.
Got him.
Oh, man.
No, it's so good.
no.
I'm
It's
so
amazing.
dang.
I love the holidays. See, this is why we all gain like 5, 10, 15 pounds
Right?
at times.
What do they call that season?
Cuffing season?
Cuffing?
I don't think that has anything to do with weight, though.
Hibernating? Hibernating.
Oh, hibernation.
Whoa. Okay. My turn.
Popcorn tin, popcorn tin. I'm excited.
I'm so excited. So this has 3 different types of popcorns. Not one. Not two. 3. Okay, so it's got caramel corn, cheese, and then just butter flavored.
Regular old delicious popcorn.
I might have jinxed myself on the...
On the opening? No. Oh man.
Oh! Teamwork!
Oh, this is disappointing.
Dang, that's like makes you work extra.
Where's the divider? This is freaking whack. Okay, I got the caramel corn popcorn. This is whack.
This is
What do you
butter.
What do you do when they're like open?
And that's cheating. They give you more, like, look how much they give you of the cheese, and then look how much they give you of the butter.
Wow, really?
They, like,
The cheese is the one you want the biggest of.
you have the least.
I'm annoyed. Okay.
Oh. Ha! Ha! Cheating.
Actually, this is not that caramelly. I feel like usually this is more sweet. But this is good. This is something that you can like keep eating. Okay. It's good. Regular butter popcorn.
Crunchy.
I want the cheese.
Okay. Oh. I mean, I would have rated this 100.
But where's the divider?
Yeah, rude. I mean, you guess extra fresh.
Oh, that's true. Individually
Okay,
sealed.
let's go with that.
Okay.
Right? I mean, it's bomb. I don't know. Can't go wrong.
I love cheese popcorn.
Well, this is a great Munchies.
100s all
Right?
around.
Seriously. Well, you know, it's holiday time. Enjoy your family with lots of food, friends,
Munchies.
and a little bit of this. But we hope you guys have a great holiday here
And
from
safe.
Safe. Yes.